We're going to look at turning a text file of 3D points into a mesh. So here I am in MATLAB right now using fprint to print my matrix into a text file. Now we're going to open up that text file in MeshLab. So it's an XYZ file because I guess the TXT format isn't supported with the Ubuntu release. Here's the point cloud, so it looks identical to the one that's open in MATLAB. Here's the point slider that just changes the size of the points depending on what you want to look at. The first step is to calculate the normal to the points. Now I had trouble with anything above a normal of, or a neighbor of 1. I'm not sure why it's showing up, or not sure why it's not showing up here, but the normal with 100 was wild. So changing it to 1, applying, hitting OK. Next we want to create the mesh, calculate the mesh. So we're going to use the Poisson, just using the typical values. And so here is the mesh that is resultant. It's a silly bulbous looking thing with that manifold kind of in the middle. The way to get rid of those extra surfaces is to use the rectangular face select tool. Unfortunately, with the Ubuntu release of this software, there seems to be a problem with the graphical settings where you couldn't select. Now, after about an hour of searching for a solution online, couldn't really find one, so for this video we'll have to ignore that. The final steps to this process are to export as a .py. The point cloud in MATLAB was far easier to see what was being mapped than this mesh. As we approach the end of the semester, the immediate need for an improved point cloud is pretty obvious.